This tutorial will guide you through the CRM feature in the Machineric software. Log into your account. Click on CRM. Going to CRM, you see the companies in your contacts list. By clicking on the three-dot menu, you can view, edit, or delete companies. To get the best overview in the dashboard, you can edit the layout of the columns. Click on the gear symbol. To rearrange columns, hold and drag from the lines here. To remove a column, uncheck the box. You can also filter companies by clicking on the Filter button. There are multiple parameters to filter by, such as responsible users, location, and status. Also labels, number of machines sold, and more. Whenever you have configured your filter, click Save. To add a new company, click Add. Here you can fill in the company information and already create a main contact for the company. There are a lot of fields to fill in, and you can always come back to do it, as long as the compulsory fields are filled in, such as the company and contact name, and the email address for the contact person. Along with the general information for the company and the contact's information, you can scroll down to add additional information for the company. Click Save. This is your created company profile. Here you can see the company's general information. To go back and make changes, click Edit. Scrolling down, you can add internal notes to a company and see latest activities regarding them. By switching the tab, you can also see all of the contacts working in this company. By clicking the three-dot menu next to a customer, you can go and view the contact details, directly go into edit mode to make changes or delete them. In view mode, you can add internal notes to a customer and go into edit mode. And scrolling down, you also see latest activities regarding the contact. To add more customers under a company, click Add. Fill in the information and click Save. Under the Contacts tab, you see all of the contacts in your CRM. Here you can manage and delete them. Just like the companies, you can filter the contacts. For example, you can filter by company, responsible user, and location, as well as labels and groups. Always click Save when you are ready to search. Go to Import Contacts to do a bulk import. Click Import CSV to upload the file. Here you can choose to import the contacts and overwrite company information, overwrite contact information, or both. Click Import Contacts. If all went well, you get the following message. Wait for the contacts to finish uploading and come back to check later. To learn how to manage groups, watch our related video on creating groups. Also watch our private portals video to learn more about access requests. You now know how to add companies and contacts to your CRM in Machineric. Be sure to watch the recommended videos to learn more about the CRM feature. Thank you for watching.